Freshly falling snow. A couple days after Thanksgiving, and I'm walking to work. It's 2 o'clock in the afternoon, and I'm walking to the Alani, and it's snowing. Snowing everywhere. We're having a virtual whiteout. You can see the snow on the branches. We've had about maybe 2 inches. Not a whole lot. It's gathering up to the very tippy top of this ponderosa. And this is the meadow. The meadow is in a virtual whiteout. But out here in Churchbowl, we have a whole gaggle of people playing in a lonely empty bench. Sitting. Oh, what a cute little snowman. Somebody built a snowman. That's great. Did he make that?
No. I need a part of the snowman thing.
What an awesome snowman.
I should have a little snowman.
Wow. The most awesome snowman in the whole world.
Yeah, it's really good.
How cute. Okay.
You've got your gloves.
I know, I'll get it. Thank you.